Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here with an ultimate guide to industrial training. I have here with me Vanshika Kotak. She recently completed her industrial training from Titan in the international business segment. So hi Vanshika.
Hi, thank you for having me, and I'm happy to share my experience with your audience.
So guys, let's dive into the video. So Vanshika, the first question is why industrial training and what is the basic difference between industrial training and articleship, and if तेरे पास चांस होता वापस से चूज करने का, then what would you choose?
So basically, articleship and industrial training are two sides of the same coin. In articleship, you provide consultancy services to these industries like income tax, audit, etc. And in industry, you gain first hand experience on things like budgeting, forecasting, and handling finances of a company. So, if given a chance again, I would definitely choose industrial training because it provided me with a larger scope and exposure to different aspects like finance, consultancy, etc., which would not have been possible if I was doing my articleship from a CA firm.
तो एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है कि तूने अपने पेरेंट्स को कैसे कन्विंस किया,
अब्बा नहीं मानेंगे।
मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली अपने प्रिंसिपल को कैसे कन्विंस किया?
So, मेरे लिए it was clear from the get-go that I want to enter the corporate world after completing my CA. So, explaining this to my parents, once they understood कि मेरा career goal क्या है and this will be really helpful to get closer to my career goal, they were definitely on board. Convincing my principal was also fairly easy for me, but I understand that this might not be the case for most of the students. So I would suggest that you pick CA firms to do articleship, which provide transfers in the second year of your articleship, and you should be very open with your principal about your career goals.
सो वंशिका, एक बार तो पूरा प्रोसेस एक्सप्लेन कर सकती है दैट हाउ डिड यू अप्लाई एंड मतलब कोई अगर सेकेंड ईयर ऑफ आर्टिकलशिप में तो उसको अप्लाई करना चाहिए एंड तूने कब अप्लाई किया?
So basically, you should start your preparation of your resume and your interview process as you're approaching the end of your first year of your articleship, because you ideally want to get placed in an industry in the second year of your articleship. And it would not be very fruitful if you start applying in the second year, because companies would want कि तुम full 1 year complete करो उस company में as an industrial trainee. And application process is through channels like LinkedIn, ICI portal, that is the number one. And you can apply with WhatsApp groups, in Telegram groups, and you can also connect with your peers, your seniors who have already done industrial training, so that you can get easy referrals from them.
सो वंशिका, यू सेड कि रेज्यूमे बनाओ, इंटरव्यू के लिए प्रिपेयर करो, बट है ना बहुत लोगों को यही नहीं समझ आता कि एग्जैक्टली रेज्यूमे में क्या डालना है, इंटरव्यू के लिए एग्जैक्टली क्या प्रिपेयर करना है. सो गिव अ ब्रीफ अबाउट दैट. नो.
So your resume should be very crisp and concise, because your resume is the first impression of you in the company. So your resume should consist of your education at the top, followed by the work experience which you had in the first year of articleship, followed by any achievements like best paper presenter, like you have taken part in any student councils, etc. This should be followed by your skills, which include soft skills and technical skills. Soft skills में आ गया तुम्हारा communication skills, leadership skills, and technical skills में जैसे Microsoft Excel का proficiency हो गया, कोई टैली सॉफ्टवेयर हो गया, जीनियस हो गया, एक्सेट्रा. एंड अगर तुम्हारे रेज्यूमे में और भी जगह बची है तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज ऐड योर इंटरेस्ट, योर हॉबीज, which can highlight your resume. So your resume should be one pager. Every brief detail should be mentioned very concisely, and you should highlight all the bullet points which made impact in your articleship experience.
सो दैट वाज अ प्रिटी गुड ओवरव्यू कि रेज्यूमे में क्या क्या डालना है, बट ये भी बता दे कि इंटरव्यू के लिए एग्जैक्टली कैसे प्रिपेयर करना है, बिकॉज बहुत लोगों को यही डाउट होता है.
So basically, there are 3 rounds of interviews if your resume gets selected. So the first round is a round for introduction between you and the company, where they will ask questions about your resume to know that if you are a better fit for their organization. The second round of your interview is more of a technical round, जहाँ पे आपको आपके job description के हिसाब से स्किल्स के हिसाब से क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे, जहाँ पे आपको ये पूछेंगे कि आपको क्या क्या आता है दैट मेक्स यू अ बेटर फिट फॉर द कंपनी. एंड द थर्ड राउंड विल बी एन एक्सेल टेस्ट. So knowledge of advanced excel is very important if you want to clear this round, and after clearing the third round you will get placed in the company.
So Vanshika, एक yes and no segment करते हैं. I'll ask you few questions, answer in yes or no. So the first question is कि were you able to balance your studies and did you have to defer your attempt?
Yes, I had to defer my attempt.
Was it worth deferring your attempt?
Yes, it was worth it.
So do you think in any way this would help you after your final exams?
Definitely yes.
So did you move to a new city for your industrial training?
Yes, I did.
And did you have any wild experiences there? Okay, jokes apart. So like how was your experience with your seniors? Like did they let you handle some core tasks or were you just handling paperwork?
So in Titan, I was actually working in the international business division. So I was handling exports from jewelry. I was handling jewelry exports from India to various countries like Dubai, Singapore, USA. My manager's name is Deepa. She is very sweet. She helped me with a lot of hurdles in my personal and professional life. And also, she involved me in core tasks, decision making, forecasting, budgeting, and etc. So I got a very huge exposure in the fast paced environment in the corporate world.
So you mentioned jewelry. Isn't Titan into watches?
Actually, this is a lesser known fact, but Titan's 80% revenue is from jewelry business like Tanishq, Mia, Zoya, etc. And the traditional business of watches only contributes to about 5% of the revenue.
So Vanshika, any advice for all the people out there who are now planning to pursue industrial training?
So you have to understand that doing CA is a marathon and not a sprint. So my advice would be to definitely go for industrial training if you are looking for doing a job after your CA finals, because this will give you a competitive edge and it will make your resume stand out amongst the other peers. I personally had to defer my attempt to do industrial training, but now it's not a problem because ICI provides additional 6 months for studying, so you can entirely focus on studies later on. So if you are planning to do a job in the corporate world, you should definitely get a taste of it earlier on in your articleship experience itself.
Thank you so much, Vanshika, for joining us today. If you have any questions, then put in the comment box below. Otherwise, you can also DM me, that is Sejal Pachisia or Vanshika Kotak on LinkedIn. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना, प्रेस द लाइक बटन एंड ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू शेयर दिस विथ योर फ्रेंड्स.